Today's young generation has a lot of insecurities. Insecurities that they live through every single day. Insecurities that make them doubt themselves. Insecurities that make them compare themselves to other people. Stop being insecure. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Be confident. Be empowered. In God's grace, we will achieve the confidence that we should have as a youth of our generation. Faith and believing in God is the first step to empowerment. Our youth today has a big role in our community. We need to help our youth to be confident and discover themselves. Youth empowerment means building our own path, fostering our own skills, and taking part towards our community success. Ako, ikaw, at tayong mga kabataan ay ang pag-asa ng ating bayan. This is Lance Carlos Messina from Cabanatuan City, advocating for youth empowerment.